Hello everyone, and welcome to another video designed to support my course It's Never Too Late to Learn IT. In this video we're going to look at find and replace. This can be very useful if you've typed a longer document and you've changed your mind about a particular word or phrase and you want to replace it. To use find and replace, make sure you have the Home tab selected on your ribbon, and then at the top right look for Replace and click or tap on Replace. This will bring up the Find and Replace dialog box, and the first thing that it asks you is what is it that you want to find. So if there's a particular word or phrase that you want to find and replace, type that word or phrase in here. So as a demonstration, I'm going to type in here click or tap, and then in the box underneath you type the text that you want to replace it with. So imagine that I've decided I want those the other way round, and I actually want it to say tap or click. Now you can go through one at a time. I recommend the safest option, find next, and it will search your document, and then you can replace each one individually. So if you watch the screen very closely, as I click on replace, you should see click or tap at the top of the screen here change briefly to tap or click before the computer moves on and looks for the next instance of that phrase. I'm always wary of using replace all, especially if you're trying to find and replace a single word, and I'll demonstrate why by searching for the word men and asking it to replace it with blokes. Now if I just click on replace all, it will replace everywhere that it can find men with blokes. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but if I tell it to replace men with blokes and click on replace all, keep your eye on the word document here. Can you see what it's done to document? It's replaced men with blokes, and I now have an unpronounceable word. So if that happens to you, don't panic. Remember, your best friend on the computer is undo. So I'm going to close that box, and as we have on this page in front of us, undo is Control and Z. So I'm going to press Control, hold down the Control key, press Z, and magically I've just undone what I did there, and document is now back to being the word that it ought to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As with everything on Word or on a computer, there's always more than one way of doing something. There's also, if you noticed with replace, lots of options that you can play with. You can click on more and you'll find all kinds of options, so don't be afraid to try them. I can't demonstrate them all. This video would just get too long, but have a go and try all the various options. Sounds like it's quite fun if you've got nothing better to do with your time. So as I say, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.